guys. So, welcome to my new channel, Beauty and Beyond with Tulsi. So, this channel is all about makeup, skincare, styling, and lifestyle. So, these days I'm home, so I was trying to be busy, so I started this channel because I am following skincare and makeup since years. और आई थिंक मैं थोड़ी बहुत बेटर हो चुकी हूँ अब उस चीज़ में. तो आई थॉट वाई नॉट स्टार्ट आवर ओन चैनल. So now I'm having two channels. One is Our Little Bliss, which is मेरा और मेरे हस्बैंड का combined channel है. वहाँ पे हम अपने travel vlogs या wherever we go or whatever we do together, we will upload there. And this channel is particular for myself. Thank you and keep supporting.